Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about something truly special, a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is now gaining well-deserved recognition as a modern superfood. I'm talking about Moringa oleifera, often called the drumstick tree or the miracle tree. If there is one thing you should know about this incredible plant, it is this. Moringa is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with vitamins and minerals that can give your energy levels a wonderful natural boost. Many of my patients report feeling more vibrant and less fatigued after consistently adding just a small amount to their daily routine, which is a fantastic starting point for better overall health and well-being. The beauty of Moringa lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It is not some complex, expensive supplement that is difficult to find. Rather, it is a humble leaf that offers profound benefits. Think of it as nature's very own multivitamin. For those days when you feel run down, sluggish, or simply not at your best, Moringa can be a gentle yet effective way to help replenish your body's reserves. It provides a wide spectrum of essential nutrients that work together in synergy, which is often more beneficial than taking isolated vitamins. This holistic nourishment supports your body's fundamental processes, from creating energy to repairing cells, helping you feel more balanced and resilient from the inside out. You might be wondering what makes this plant so different from other green vegetables like spinach or kale. While all leafy greens are fantastic for your health, Moringa stands out due to its remarkably dense nutritional profile. It contains significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, protein, iron, all in a highly bioavailable form that your body can easily absorb and use. It is this concentration of goodness that has earned it the title of a superfood. It is not just about one single nutrient. It is the combination of many different compounds working together that provides such a comprehensive boost to your health, supporting everything from your immune system to your skin. My philosophy has always been that small, sustainable changes can lead to significant improvements in our health. Introducing Moringa into your life fits this approach perfectly. It is not about making a drastic overhaul of your diet overnight. Instead, it is about adding one simple, nutrient-rich ingredient that can have a ripple effect on your overall vitality. Our bodies are constantly dealing with oxidative stress from our environment, from our diets, and even our own metabolic processes. This stress can damage our cells and contribute to chronic inflammation and aging. Moringa is rich in antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid. These act like little bodyguards, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals. Another key benefit is Moringa's ability to help balance blood sugar levels. This is incredibly important for everyone, not just those with diabetes. When our blood sugar spikes and crashes throughout the day, it can lead to energy slumps, cravings, and mood swings. Several studies suggest that compounds in Moringa may help stabilize blood sugar, preventing those dramatic peaks and troughs. For example, adding a spoonful of Moringa powder to a smoothie that contains fruit can help your body manage the natural sugars more effectively. This leads to more sustained energy and better appetite control, making it easier to make healthier food choices throughout the day and avoid that mid-afternoon slump. Moringa is also a fantastic anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is at the root of so many modern health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. While some inflammation is a normal and healthy response to injury, persistent low-grade inflammation can be very damaging. Moringa contains compounds called isothiocyanates, which have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Now that we understand the benefits, let's talk about how you can easily make Moringa a part of your daily life. The most common and versatile form you will find is Moringa powder. It has a distinct, earthy taste, a bit like spinach or matcha tea. Start with a small amount and see how you like it. A fantastic way to begin is by adding half a teaspoon to your morning smoothie. Banana, berries, plant-based milk. It is a simple habit that takes only seconds and can boost your energy throughout the day. Another simple method is to stir Moringa powder into your food. Soups, stews, curries. Try sprinkling it over your morning porridge. Mix it into yogurt. Whisk it into a vinaigrette for salads. Moringa guacamole. Add a teaspoon to mashed avocado with lime and seasoning. Boosts nutrition without changing taste much. add powder toward the end of cooking or to unheated foods to preserve nutrients. If you have fresh moringa leaves, treat them like other leafy greens. Steam them, sauté with garlic and olive oil. Add to soups and lentil dishes. In many regions, moringa is a staple, cooked into nourishing meals. They taste milder than the powder and are easy to use. Wash thoroughly and strip leaves from the stems before cooking. Using fresh leaves connects you to the plant in its whole form. Capsules are a taste-free, convenient alternative. They provide a measured dose for busy mornings or travel. Choose reputable brands with pure leaf powder and no fillers. That ensures you get the full spectrum of benefits. When it comes to dosage, start slow. If you use moringa powder, begin with half a teaspoon per day. Gradually increase to 1 or 2 teaspoons as your body adjusts. Listen to your body. There's no single perfect dose. Small amounts may be enough for many. Avoid very large quantities. Stick to moderate, consistent intake. Most people tolerate moringa well, but some may see mild side effects when starting or taking too much. These can include upset stomach, loose stools, or a laxative effect. It's often your body adjusting to fiber. The earthy flavor can cause mild nausea if taken on an empty stomach. Pregnant women or those trying to conceive should avoid moringa. Avoid the root, avoid the bark, avoid the flowers. Leaves may be safer, but avoid moringa during pregnancy to be safe. If you take medications, for thyroid conditions, diabetes, or high blood pressure, be cautious. Moringa can interact with meds and affect their effectiveness. Speak with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before starting moringa. They can review your health history and advise. Tell your healthcare provider about any supplements you're considering. Open communication helps you enjoy moringa's benefits without unintended risks. Powder, fresh leaves, capsules. The key is consistency. Make moringa a small, regular part of your routine to see its effects on your health. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you can help to gently calm this underlying inflammation. This could mean less joint stiffness for some or simply a feeling of greater ease and comfort in the body. It is a natural way to support your body's efforts to maintain a state of balance and peace. Finally, moringa is a wonderful source of plant-based protein and essential amino acids, the building blocks of our bodies. This makes it particularly valuable for those on a vegetarian or vegan diet, but it is beneficial for everyone. The protein in moringa helps with muscle repair, immune function, and the production of enzymes and hormones. To bring it all together, Moringa oleifera is far more than a trendy health food. It's a nutrient-dense plant that can be a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle. I hope you feel inspired to explore how this miracle tree might be the superfood you need right now.